Eventually, the red giant sun will run out of helium to burn, and that will be the official death of our nearest star. But it's not the end, and that's because gravity, after 10 billion years of struggle against nuclear fusion, will finally win and pull down the remaining elements of the sun into a much smaller object, we reckon about the same volume as Earth. Can you believe that? The sun at the moment is 2.7 million miles in circumference, and it will grow to about, when it's a red giant star, to 100 million miles in all directions. And yet its fate is to end up as something the size as Earth? Well, that will be a white dwarf star. You see, white dwarf stars, they are the fate of most stars in the universe. Only a few are big enough and violent enough to go bang in a supernova explosion. Most, like our sun, will end up as a white dwarf. Now, they're kind of like these ghost-like objects because they no longer do nuclear fusion and produce their own heat and new elements, but they do still have a lot remaining. So slowly, over billions and billions of years, their light and heat will disperse out into the dark, cold regions of space. I wonder if in some billions of years in the future, a spacecraft carrying alien life, or perhaps even the descendants of you and I, will journey through the solar system, look at the white dwarf star, this small, quiet object, still with a bit of light oozing out into the cosmos. I wonder if they'll know its incredible history. Because that sun right there, as far as we know, is the only place in all of space to produce life and give it a home for some billions and billions of years. What an incredible object. And now you know the life and death of our nearest star, the sun.